Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm going to show you this special tea. As you can see over here, the Berry Company, and it is a white tea in a flavor of peach. As they have mentioned, no artificial color, no preservatives, no artificial sweetness. So this is how it looks like. The two main core ingredients which are used in manufacturing this are these two. It's kind of a tea and then it's a peach. The pack is of 1 liter, as you can see over here, and all the ingredients and everything is mentioned over here, and nutritional information is from here. What else? I want to know the companies of which. Yeah, over here I've mentioned this is from London. And not to wait for much, let's open it. So I've opened it. I got a glass to see the color of this white tea. For the first time I'm trying this. So as you can see, it looks like this. The color of peach juice is also similar, but I don't know about the white tea, so let's taste it. Nice. It has a flavor of peach, but I don't know about the white tea, but it's good. It's very light, no other sweetness is there, so good to go. If you want to try this and comment me whether you like it or not. Thank you friends, bye bye.